Hey guys, welcome back to today's Budget Beauty Buys video. So I'm going to be going into TJ Maxx right now. This is the first store that I'm at. We're gonna do a little bit of discount shopping today. I am kind of hoping today that maybe I will find the white chocolate chip palette. I've seen a couple other people find it and I'm like, why haven't I seen that yet? So hoping for some new items today in the stores. And if you guys have never seen these videos before, I go around to TJ Maxx, Marshall's, Burlington Coat Factory, and I look for discount makeup deals. It is a lot of fun and I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel and come back and hang out with me. I upload new videos every single week. Also, I know a lot of you guys have been saying that it's a little bit hard to hear. The reason that I have to speak lower when I'm in the stores is because sometimes you're not allowed to film in these stores. I've got yelled at about 2 times and had to stop filming, so I try and keep a low profile. That is why my voice is lower. I just recommend turn up the volume all the way on your computer and you should be fine, and you should be able to hear me, or put on like headphones and turn up the volume, because usually when I watch it back I can hear it pretty decently. So bear with me, and I'm gonna try and speak as loud as I can without like drawing attention to myself. So I hope you guys understand, and let's go inside and see what kind of makeup they have today.
So the first thing I found is this Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover. It is $14.99. This is actually one of my favorite makeup removers that I have ever used before. I haven't used it in so long, but I am pleasantly surprised to see it here at TJ Maxx. Also have this Philosophy Clear Skin and Sunny Days kit. This is $29.99. It is a acne solutions kit. This is nice. It has a salicylic acid, and it looks like it has a like pads, a spot treatment, and then a moisturizer as well. I have some Derma E products. They have the Deep Wrinkle Peptide Serum. This is $7.99. I also see another Philosophy item. This is the oil-free gel cream. This is $7.99. Looks like it's just like a, I guess like under eye cream. They also have lots of products from Strivectin here today, like lots of Strivectin. And this is the eye concentrate for wrinkles. This is $16.99. And they also have the neck cream. This is $19.99. And looks like they have the tightening face serum. This is $19.99, and they also have this stretch marks and a wrinkle cream, I guess, and this is also $19.99. I found the Kat Von D color correcting eyeshadow primer for only $3. That's really good. And they also have this Stila for $5. This is the Shape and Shade custom contour. I remember seeing this. It's all swatched though. Look at that. Sad. So sad. There's another one here, but it's probably all swatched. Yep, it's all swatched. They have a Pureology restorative mask for $16. This is a really expensive brand, so that's a pretty good price. I just found this little cute set from No. 7. It's a skincare set. I've never tried any products from No. 7's skin line before. It looks like it has a little face cloth, a hot cloth cleanser, an eye cream, a day cream, and a night cream, and then it looks like that one in the middle is I guess an eye cream. So this looks like a holiday set, and this is only $10.99. That is such a good price for this set. Really nice. They have this Crabtree and Evelyn rose water hydrating, is this like a setting spray? Rose water and pink peppercorn hand recovery. Oh, it's like a hand peeling product, and this is only $6.99. They have this cute set from Real Techniques with 2 sponges, and I don't know, it doesn't say how much it is, but it comes with 2 little sponge stands. It might be $6.99, $5.99. And then I found this Anastasia contour kit refill for $3.99 in Havana. Kind of like a deeper contour color. Also have an eyeshadow in Topaz, and they have for $4.99 an eyeshadow in China Rose from Anastasia, and I think this is another Havana contour color. Then they have this Bite Amuse Bouche Duo for $7.99. They have the Anastasia lip gloss in Rio for $7.99. They also have the lip glosses in Purple Rain and Neon Carnival for $7.89. And the Lorac Alter Ego lipstick in MUA, and this is only $4.99. first time I'm seeing these. Two of the Casey Holmes Spotlight palette for $14.99. They also have the shade Orchid and the Anastasia lip glosses. They have another Alter Ego lipstick in MUA. They have the Lorac Tantalizer. What is this? Lips with Benefits Tantalizer in Ernesto. And this is $3.99. They have a Lorac lip gloss in True Red for $4.99. They have 3 more shades I found of Anastasia lip gloss in Barbie Pink, Soft Lilac, and Maui. These are really pretty shades, and these are all $7.99. Has anyone tried the sponge from Urban Studio? It's only $3.99. It looks just like the Real Techniques sponge. They also have 2 of these Tantalizer highlighter and bronzer duos from Lorac, and this is $7.99. So this is what the inside looks like. Let's open it up. That is what the inside looks like. This one is all swatched though.
Okay guys, so that was pretty fun at TJ Maxx. They had some good stuff. Now I am at Burlington Coat Factory and I'm gonna see if they have any new stuff. Hopefully they got some new Tarte items in, and I'm kind of also hoping they have more high-end stuff because it seems like Burlington is totally stepping up their game. And you guys also let me know that you found those palettes at your Burlington, or you at least found one of them, so that is awesome. And let's go inside and see if they have any good stuff.
So the first thing I found is this BH Cosmetics Bronze Paradise Eye and Cheek palette, and it is, looks like it was swatched, a couple of them, but this is only $5.99. Laura Geller Get Ready and Go Face, Eyes, and Cheeks palette for $14.99. So you get a baked eyeshadow duo, highlighter, and blush. I don't remember if I saw this last time, but this is the Laura Geller Hollywood Eyes set. So you get a Lash Brush, can't say that, mascara, gel eyeliner, pencil, you get a eyeshadow duo, and you get a lip gloss. And this set is $16.99, originally $23. They have the Laura Geller, what is this? Classically Romantic set. This is $19.99. They also have this at Nordstrom Rack. The e.l.f. Clay Eyeshadow Palette for $2.99. And it looks like they have the Mad for Matte Holy Smokes palette. I actually don't own this one. This is only $3.99. That is a really good price. What is this? They have an MD Measurable Difference Pro Matte Silk Foundation. This is interesting. This is only $2.99. And they do have like a decent amount of shades. Nothing that would match me, but in case you guys are interested. Ooh, they have a Too Faced eyeshadow insurance. Is this the full size? 2 of them, and they're empty. So I guess, oh wait, here's another one. This one is full. Too Faced eyeshadow insurance, and this is $9.99, so that's a fun find. They also have the Laura Geller Eye Envy 5-piece full-size collection of 4 Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliners. There's a close-up, and this is $14.99. They have the Smoke Bomb Foiled Eyeshadow Palette, and this is only $5.99. That is a really cute little eyeshadow palette, and they have 3 of them back there. Look at this, you guys. Pure. First time seeing Pure at Burlington, so they are definitely stepping up their game. This is $7.99. You get a 4-length, 4-volume, fully charged, and for all triple threat mascara. Let me know if you guys have ever tried any of these before. I have not, but that is so cool to see Pure at Burlington. They also have the Meet Matte Adore palette. This is only $12.99. So they have 2 of the Meet Matte Adore palettes. I really want to try this. Have you guys used this before? If so, let me know if you like it. And I found the Laura Geller Perfect Pair 3-piece glowing complexion collection in medium and medium deep. And this one is, I think, $14.99. Yeah, $14.99. Laura Geller Style Eyes 3-piece Essentials collection. And it looks like you get a mascara, a brow or liner, yeah, eyeliner, and then you get like a pen eyeliner. And this is, does not say how much. I'm assuming it's like $10 or $15. I also found another of the Balm products here. This is the Big Mama blush, one of my favorites. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is only $6.99, so definitely check your Burlington because they have tons of stuff right now. This is such a good find. I found the Bubs Beauty eyeshadow palette from BH. I have 3 of them here. It doesn't say how much it is, but again, I'm just gonna assume it's like in the 5 to 7 range. What it looks like. This is a really pretty palette. I did a whole video on this. So I usually try and only show you guys like the high-end stuff at Burlington and not like the random palettes, even though sometimes they're good, but this one really caught my attention. It's the Beauty Treats Go With The Glow highlighter set, and these kind of look gorgeous. Like they remind me of the same pattern of the Makeup Geek highlighters, and this set is only $5.99. I really like would love to put this in a giveaway or try it out, but like all these shades right here, like this one and this one, I don't know, they're just like really speaking to me, so I just wanted to show you guys in case you were interested. Okay guys, one last thing I found here is the e.l.f. Ultimate Brush Roll. It's a 19-piece brush set. It looks really nice. Like, looks like all their regular brushes just with a silver handle, and there's all the brushes, and you also get the roll, and this is only $20. That's really cool, so I wanted to show you guys this too in case you were interested. I found the BH Cosmetics Nude Lipstick Palette. This is only $7.99. Really good. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is why I come back and I look through the aisles a second time, because I miss stuff, because there's so much stuff here. There is stinking Benefit here at Burlington. This is $24.99, and you get 4 of the They're Real. It's like a lipstick and liner, kind of, I guess it's like 2 in 1. And I always thought this was pretty gimmicky, but it's still pretty cool that it's here at Burlington. This is like the most high-end stuff I've ever seen here, so check it out in case you guys are interested.
Last stop of the day, I am at Marshall's. This is the one I always used to go to. It's my old stomping ground, so I came here. Also, my battery is like on very, very low, so I'm hoping I can get all this in. If not, I do have my phone as a backup. Let's go inside and see if they have anything great here.
So I only found a couple things. I found the Eyelure Crazy Ray Ray lashes for clearance, $3, which is really good. I found 2 of the Anastasia liquid lipsticks. One is in Catnip and one is in Craft. These are $7.99. A Too Faced Melted Chocolate Liquefied Longwear Lipstick for $5.99. This is in Chocolate Cherries. I found the Buxom Dolly Plump and Contour Lip Trio for $7.99. Lastly, they had a bunch of these Bare Minerals Take Me With You kits. It has a complexion rescue, a brush, and a powder. Looks like a Golden Gate blush. Okay, it's a powder blush. And this is in Opal 1. But it doesn't say how much this is. I'm assuming it's like 10 or 15.
Okay, so that beauty aisle kind of stunk today. I was a little disappointed. I thought there was going to be more stuff, but that's kind of the reason why I have only been going to TJ Maxx, because Marshall's has just been a little bit of a letdown. Let me know down below if you guys agree with me. Do you find TJ Maxx has been better, or your Marshall's has been better, or maybe your Burlington Coat Factory? Just let me know what stores you guys have been loving recently. Also comment and let me know what finds you found this week. Let me know if you saw anything good. I thought we had a pretty successful day. Still, Burlington Coat Factory is like crushing it. I was so impressed with all the finds today. That was like my favorite place we went to today, and every time I turned I saw something new. So it's just a lot of fun when you kind of like discover a bunch of new stuff and then there's like another surprise. So that was a lot of fun. Hope you guys had a good time shopping with me today. I know I had a lot of fun, and thank you guys as always for watching. It means so much to me, your love and support. It really means the world to me. And if you guys want to watch my other budget beauty buys, I always have the playlist linked down below. I have tons of these videos. So I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!